Hello little friends, and welcome to our magical garden. Are you ready to discover how our food grows and what magic the flowers hide? Today, we will journey through the wonderful world of plants. From a tiny seed to a big tree with beautiful fruits and flowers. Let's start this magical adventure together. Every single plant starts as a tiny seed, so very, very tiny. We carefully plant it in soft soil, give it a little refreshing water, and the sun shines its warm rays down upon it. And look, roots begin to grow down, helping it drink water from the ground, while little leaves sprout up to catch the sunlight for food. This is how the tiny seed magically grows into a delicious orange carrot, or a sweet and juicy red tomato. Vegetables are our very best superfood friends. Green broccoli makes us strong like a little dragon, and spinach gives us amazing energy to play and explore all day long. Sweet little peas are full of hidden vitamins. When we eat our vegetables, our bodies become healthy, strong, and full of energy. This helps us run, jump, and learn brand new things every single day. But our magical garden doesn't just have tasty vegetables. It is also full of beautiful and colorful flowers. There are wonderful flowers with soft petals and sweet, lovely scents. They are not just here to please our eyes, but they also help nature. Little bees and butterflies with colorful wings come to the flowers to collect nectar, and in doing so, they help the flowers grow new seeds. A beautiful flower makes the world a much happier and more vibrant place. We can all help take care of our garden. It's very simple and lots of fun. We can water the plants regularly, make sure they get plenty of sun, and most importantly, don't forget to love them. Every time we care for a plant, we help nature grow and flourish. And what could be more beautiful than watching something you planted grow and bloom? Our magical garden is full of lessons, secrets, and so many wonders. Every plant, every flower, and every vegetable has its own unique story. Don't forget to explore the nature all around you and discover more of its magic every day. Thank you so much for being with us on this adventure. See you next time at Sadja Animal World.